My name is Jong-won No, and I'm CMO of the Seoul Inc. Today, I'm here to introduce Seoul Inc., a South Korean company that using CMOS image sensor to become a game changer in the medical device industry. Then I'm going to introduce my flagship product, the Seoul Count. So let's start at the talk about Seoul Inc. Using CMOS image sensor technology, we are developing a device that can accurately count cells. Unlike lens technology, in which other countries such as Germany and Japan has an advantage over South Korea. In using semiconductor technology, as you know, South Korea is the world-leading innovator of this technology. Let's talk about at the core competencies of Seoul Inc. can leverage to do well in these sectors. First of all, Seoul Inc. has patents on the lens-free image sensing technology that utilize in this device. Second, in coordinates with the IEC, we developed leading global standard. Finally, we are collaborating with organizations within Korea and around the world. I'm sure we are becoming a game changer in life science with this technology. Let's look at the first core competencies, lens-free imaging sensor technology. First of all, is a higher accuracy than traditional lens. Unlike traditional lens, which can cause aberration in the imaging through the deformation in the light as in passed through the lens. The CMOS image sensors produce accurate and consistent image. Secondly, the CMOS sensors allow for high optical sensitivities. Traditional lens can stack up to 3 centimeters high. As the distance between the viewer and the object increase, the sensitivity of the image is reduced. As I mentioned, we have lens-free technologies, so the sensitivity of the image is way higher than product has lens. Finally, CMOS image technology allows Seoul Inc. to provide high price competitiveness in much cheaper than traditional lens technology, then allowing for more affordable price point. Let's look at the core competence 2. Leading the global standard for CIS technology, the industry has developed from simple film analog to digital image sensors. But now, Seoul Inc. is helping to move beyond the standard of the lens-free CIS system that provide bioinformation as well as an image. This allows Seoul Inc. to provide 3 important services. The first service is, as you can see the right-hand side, we are now available, including cell counting. This meaning is a counting of live cell includes cell-based assays, drug screening, and virus research. Currently, we are developing our IDX and the MDX imaging technology as well. Let's look at the collaboration with the roadmap for Seoul Inc. for the next few years. In 2020, we developed your cell counters. In 2021, we will expand to cloud-based services with the AI system. And throughout the next few years, we are going to develop our IDX, R&D, and our MDX product as well. Using our 3 core values of the lens-free image sensors, software including algorithm in AI, and their consumable, which includes cartridge and bioreagents. We are creating a platform for diagnosis and cure of both infectious and non-infectious disease. As you can see, the market size of application of this technology are quite big. Let's look at the closer look at the flagship products called Seoul Count. Importantly, Seoul Count can be used to provide quality consistency and viability when qualifying human or animal cells. This can be applied to two areas. The first area is a clinical area in living humans. CMOS technology can apply to therapy like T cells. In research area, CMOS technology like cell count can be used as assess the viability of the blood sample or other cell samples. Currently, manual cell counting technology are very labor intensive and they have leave results vulnerable to fatigue and human errors. Let's take a look at the video that explains this. There are many unmet needs in the auto cell counting industry. First of all, a lot of experience is needed for auto cell counting, and there are low analytic ability of near and cluster type cells. These issues can give rise to the trust issue related to the auto cell counting technology. To address this, SolInc has provided a web-based platform for customers to compare traditional image with auto cell counting image from CMOS. Also, extra work for information sharing and the long time consumption for optimization of new cell types. Those problems are addressed by the AI system that SolInc has developed and cloud-based information sharing technology that they utilize. The advanced auto cell counting technology, cell count, has allowed for a paradigm shift from the manual to auto cell counting. This has reduced the accuracy and efficiency problems that were caused by researcher fatigue and human errors. This has led to stunning 10 times higher than accuracy than manual technology and 2.8 times higher accuracy than current auto cell counting techniques. It also has twice price competitiveness and the portability thanks to its low weight. Let's take a look at the way in which cell count is differentiated from its competitors. First, overall, the app update Wi-Fi features as well as cloud-based database saving and the web-based platform for communication with customers really sets cell count. SolInc business model includes 4 important factors. The first is a razor blade model by which consistent incoming is guaranteed through regular customer purchase of disposable cartridges. The second is economy of scale afforded by the sharing of technology across different products. The third is the price differentiation via different license model for institutes such as school, firms, and hospitals. Finally, a subscription model based on the data service will become available for generate additional income. Let's take a quick look at the network of SolInc to make the cell count happen. As you can see, we are partnering with many Korean and international organizations as well as ISO and IEC to make sure we are delivering products of the highest quality. Having already developed since 2013, SolInc has become a company that ready to become game changer in the industry. As you can see at the bottom, the name of SolInc derived from the Korean for pine tree. It also solar, which is the source of light and enthusiasm in our lives. And it's also the solution or partner for you. Solution can solution and your medical device needs. If you have any question about Soul Inc. and also the soul count, please feel free to get in touch with any time. Thanks for your attention.